Don't blink. What looks like an ordinary wooden plank can suddenly open into a stool. This isn't magic, but a piece of woodworking wisdom passed down for over 2,000 years. It's called the Löwenstuhl. The process begins with a solid block of wood. First, you draw the outlines of the cross supports and corner cuts on its surface. Then you carve a groove about 1/3 the thickness of the board. Saw along the side markings and divide the groove into 7 equal parts. With a fine saw, you cut along those lines and remove the shaded areas from the groove in the back. Here comes the first surprise. The joints of the seat can now open up. 2 boards interlock like crossed hands, forming the rough shape of a stool. Next, you repeat the 7-part marking, cutting, and trimming process on the slanted edges. By removing the shadowed sections on both sides, the joints of the stool legs begin to unfold. You do the same at the opposite end, and the stool starts to take shape. At first you think it's finished, but when you open it, the seat doesn't lie flat. Looking closely, you realize the corners of the legs aren't quite right, holding the seat at an angle. Then inspiration strikes. You cut the legs with interlocking convex and concave angles, adjust their placement, and try again. This time, when the joints unfold, they fit perfectly. The seat lies flat, smooth as a mirror. Congratulations! You've created the Löwenstuhl. Its brilliance lies in its duality. Folded, it's a simple wooden board. Unfolded, it becomes a sturdy stool. The secret is in the way its joints complement one another, each weakness filled by the other's strength. Outwardly plain, but inwardly ingenious. It carries within it the wisdom of balance and harmony.